Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on mobile like PC. First, understand that while mobile offers convenience, PC provides more precise controls. To bridge this gap, begin by checking your device's performance settings. Ensure your operating system is updated and close any background applications to free up memory. This initial preparation is crucial for a smoother gaming experience, laying the groundwork for more advanced adjustments we will cover. It's all about setting yourself up for success right from the start. Next, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Navigate to the Settings menu and look for Controls. Here, you can adjust your camera sensitivity to a comfortable level, often between 0.5 and 1.0 for better aiming. Experiment with different movement modes like tap to move versus joystick to find what suits you best. For older devices, lowering the graphics quality to automatic or manual at a lower setting can significantly boost your frame rate, making gameplay much smoother and more responsive. To truly emulate a PC experience, external accessories are key. Connecting a Bluetooth controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, offers superior precision for movement and actions compared to touch controls. Many mobile gaming clips can securely attach your phone to the controller, creating a portable console. For the most authentic feel, consider a portable keyboard and mouse setup. This allows for familiar keybinds and mouse-driven camera control, transforming your mobile device into a miniature desktop gaming station for Roblox adventures. Finally, consistent practice and community engagement will refine your mobile PC-like skills. Spend time in games that demand precise movements and quick reactions, like first-person shooters or obstacle courses. Customize your avatar's hotkeys for rapid access to frequently used items or abilities, saving precious seconds. Joining Roblox communities allows you to exchange advanced strategies and discover new tips from experienced players. Remember to regularly check for game updates, as developers often introduce improvements that can further enhance your mobile gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.